guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been so long I haven't posted a video. I've been all over the place. I've been to Fort Lauderdale, Orlando, no, I'm in Atlanta, so I've been like doing a lot of traveling back and forth and stuff, and right now all of that is wearing down on me now because I am currently sick. But I wanted to post a video like ASAP because I know you guys been messaging me asking me for videos and stuff, so I'm trying to pull through for you guys to post a video. So now I'm just gonna do a little get ready with me chit chat. I might talk, I'm not sure. I'm kind of feeling a little bit down, so if I do talk it's not that much, so I don't know. But I wanted to just put a video out there for you guys, you know, to let you guys know that I'm still alive, I'm still here, just taking a little break and stuff. But I'll be back to my regular schedule every Wednesday and Sunday next week. So I'm just, you know, dropping by to say hi. And the new year has been going on well so far, so good. And yeah, so let's get right into the video. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is just spray my face with some Mario Badescu facial spray. You guys already know how much I love this. I think I'm gonna use my Fenty foundation, even though, to be honest, I feel like I haven't been really liking the Fenty that much no more. Yeah, I don't know. I've been wearing it for a while and I don't know, it's haven't been my favorite so far. So I've been loving the primer though, so I'm gonna go in with the primer. Okay, so this is the hair I got from Wet Kiss Hair Company. I got the loose wave. This is in inches 220, 118, and a 16-inch closure. This is the original like look. This is how the waves look, but I am going to try and see how it looks when I straighten it. So I already did one test run and it's not bad, so I'm gonna straighten this and see how it looks. So let's go. I've been wearing this hair for like, I think it's been a month. Yeah, or no, it hasn't been a month. Yeah, it has been a month. It has been a month since I've been wearing this hair and the red hair, and I do like it. However, the ends are really trashy. Like, I feel like I need to cut them because no matter how I put like oils and so on and moisturize it, it's just trashy. And I'm using my Cortex 1-inch flat iron, and it's on the ice. This is our 450 Fahrenheit. It's not bad. I'm gonna spray some of my Garnier Fruit Flat Iron Perfect to straightening mist on it, and see if it's gonna help it to straighten a little bit better. And I'm doing the chasing method with my rat tail comb. It's not bad. It did got it straight. It's like really straight, but again, I do not like the ends. So this is a finished look. It didn't go as straight as I would like. It's not as bone straight, but it can be worn. I think I would just put some big one curls in it, or some flat iron curls. I don't know, but this is how it looks. It's not bad. It's shiny. The ends still need to be trimmed. Like, I still need to cut the ends because they look a little bit trashy and not smooth. Looks dry, but otherwise the hair feels really nice. It feels so soft. And yeah, so don't forget to check out Westkiss Hair. All the information for this hair will be in the description bar, as well as all the products that I've used on my face and my hair and the flat iron. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Take care, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.